Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create a Microsoft Outlook email account on your laptop. This is a simple, step-by-step guide. You do not need any special skills. Just follow along and you will have your email account set up in a few minutes. Start by making sure your laptop is connected to the internet. Then open your web browser. This can be any browser you usually use. In the address bar at the top, type the Outlook website and press Enter. You will now be on the Microsoft Outlook homepage. On this page, find the button that says Create Free Account and click on it. Now you will choose your new email name. Type in the name you want to use. After that, you will need to select how your email will end. You can choose either outlook.com or hotmail.com from the drop-down list. After entering your desired email name and choosing the domain, click Next. Now it's time to create your password. Your password should be strong so your account stays secure. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using anything that can be guessed easily. Type your password and then click Next. Next, you will be asked to select your country or region. Use the drop-down list to find your country and click on it. Then, select your birth date. Use the boxes to choose the correct day, month, and year. When you are done, click Next. Now you will be asked to enter your first name and last name. Type your real name. This helps Microsoft keep your account safe and makes it easier to recover your account if needed. After typing your name, click Next again. After this, Microsoft will check if you are a real person. You will see a test on the screen. This is usually a puzzle or a box with letters and numbers. Follow the instructions and complete the task. If you cannot read what is shown, you can refresh the page or ask for an audio version. After you complete this step, click Next. Now, Microsoft will begin creating your account. Wait a few seconds. Once it is ready, you will be taken to your new email inbox. Your Outlook email account is now ready to use. You can begin sending and receiving emails right away. You can continue using the email through the website, or you can open the Outlook app on your laptop and sign in using the new email address and password you just created. That's it. You have successfully created your Microsoft Outlook email account. Be sure to keep your password safe. Also, remember to sign out of your account if you're using a shared laptop or public computer.